Experiencing a no internet error or your hotspot not showing up? Several factors could be the culprit. First, check your Metro by T-Mobile data plan. Have you exceeded your high-speed data limit? Metro plans often throttle hotspot speeds after a certain amount of usage, leading to reduced speeds or no connectivity. Secondly, ensure your device is compatible with T-Mobile's network bands like LTE band 1266. Outdated firmware or incompatible devices can prevent hotspot functionality. Network congestion, especially during peak hours or in rural areas, can also cause issues. Lastly, simple problems like overheating devices, VPN conflicts, or interference from background apps can disrupt your hotspot connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, verify you have good network coverage using the T-Mobile Coverage Map app. A common mistake is overlooking these basic checks before troubleshooting further. Let's walk through troubleshooting steps to resolve hotspot issues. Start with the basics. Restart both your phone, the hotspot source, and the device you're trying to connect. Next, ensure your phone's software and Metro app are up to date. A software patch released in April 2025 addressed SIM card glitches causing hotspot failures. Reset your phone's network settings through Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. Double-check your APN settings, typically eps.tmobile.com for Android devices. If problems persist, utilize the AI-powered diagnostic tool in the Metro by T-Mobile app launched June 2025. It scans for issues and suggests fixes. For rural users, consider using a signal booster like WeBoost to improve connectivity. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support directly or visit their community forums for additional assistance. As a last resort, consider using a wired connection for more stable internet access if possible.